descending the mountain. So all that pedal finesse that we learned, we're going to have to actually apply to a different pedal now. Now as you're coming down rock features, you're going to be heavy on that brake, and you're going to be feathering the brake just to slowly roll down things. You don't want to let the Jeep go banging down the hill, rolling out of control. So heavy on the brake when we get into the rocks up here. You'll see what I'm talking about pretty soon. Is okay to send underneath because it's in that trench. couple of these biggest rocks and drive up and over them, because we don't want them to accidentally go underneath.
Look at that big rock right there. That was a loose rock too.
So you're going to target those two big ones, and then you pretty much go straight, and right after that there's two more big rocks you target, and you just drive right over both sets of them.
Tree right there, next tree.
You're good, Blue, looking good. Yep, target those two big rocks in front of you. Perfect, you're squared up perfect. Just drive right over those. Steer a little bit, driver. There you go, like that. It's turning your wheel on you, but you're okay. Perfect. Nice correction when it steered your wheels. That was perfect. Yep, you're going to aim right for that pointy one, and then the other one over here. The two biggest rocks that you see, just aim